All right, Unit 9, Video 2, multiplying radicals. So this is going to be very similar to simplifying, except we're multiplying, but it's the same process. Okay, so this is a multiplication. So the nice thing about multiplication is you can put them together. So I can bring the 12 and the 6 together, and then the x to the third and x to the fourth, okay? Then it's exactly like what we did yesterday. So I'm going to go ahead and break my 12 up. 6 and 2, 2 is prime. And then 6 is 3 and 2, and both of those are prime. And then this 6 I can break up into 3 and 2, and they're prime. Okay, so now I have a square root. Okay, so now this 3 can pair up with this 3, and it comes outside. This 2 can pair up with this 2, and it comes outside. Now this 2 does not pair up, so it's going to stay inside. Okay, now let's look at our x's. We have 3 x's, and we have 4. Okay, so let's pair them up. There's 1 pair, 2 pair, 3 pairs. Okay, and then this one did not pair up, so it stays inside. And then we just multiply. 3 times 2 is 6. X to the third, square root of 2x. And that's my answer. Okay, so on this one, we have numbers outside. So I'm going to go ahead and multiply those because they're outside. So negative 12. Okay, and then I'm going to put 10 times 20 times x to the fourth. Okay, so the 12 doesn't matter because it's outside. So I'm going to break the 10 up. 5 and 2, both are prime, so I'm going to circle them. 20, I got 2 and 10. 10 I can still break up. Okay, all right, so now everything's broke up into primes. So I'm going to look for my pairs. There's a pair of 5s, there's a pair of 2s, and then this 2 does not pair up, so it stays inside. And then I have 1x, and then I have 4 x's. Okay. There's 1 pair, there's 2 pairs, so that's x to the second, and then I have 1 that did not pair up. Okay, so 5 times 2 is 10, x to the second, square root of 2x. And that's the answer. So that's how you do multiplication.